everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create or you can fork a repository from GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started. If you guys don't know what a fork means, it's basically just, creating a copy of a repository from another creator. So you're going to make it your own. Now, in order for us to do this, we're just going to search for like any repository that we want um to fork. Like for example, I want to fork a repository by DeepSeek. So let's say I'm gonna copy or gonna click on DeepSeek AI. I'm gonna search for it, and then from here you can see this fork menu or like the fork button right here at the top. You're gonna click on fork. And then from here, you're just going to create a repository name. So you can see this DeepSeek version 3 is available. You can add a description if you want. And then from there, you're just going to click on create fork. And what this does, it allows you to create a personal DeepSeek file that you can alter without, changing the original repository. And that's basically the use of fork. And also, when you do a fork, it allows you to clone it into your local file. And that's it. That is how you can fork a repository in GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.